Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I know it's been a really long time since I posted, but I just needed to take some time for myself and to work through some mental health things that I was going through. I'm still dealing with, and I'll get into that later. But how have you guys been? I've missed you so much, and I've missed connecting with you. I really miss like commenting back and forth. I feel like you guys are my friends. How are you doing? Please let me know in the comments. I have a 3-day flight attendant trip starting today. I'm position 4, which we call the princess position. Basically, I'm in the aisle and I like close the bins and brief my exits and stuff like that. But I am flying with a really sweet flight attendant that I've flown with before, so I'm excited about that. And we're gonna fly from Dallas to Miami, and then Miami to Minneapolis, layover in Minneapolis, and then tomorrow fly to Charlotte, Charlotte back to Minneapolis, a double Minneapolis layover, and then come back on the 3rd day to Dallas. I have a very busy schedule this month of December, but I actually have Christmas Eve and Christmas off. I cannot believe it. I'm so excited and so thankful. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you once we probably get to Miami or maybe Minneapolis tonight at like midnight, but I'll see you later. This is what happens when you leave your workout shoes at home. A impromptu workout in your room. Hi guys, I'm about to go to the Mall of America, and I just ordered some food from a place called Brim. They only use avocado, olive, and coconut oil. Everything is gluten-free, and they work with a lot of local farms and use organic food that's local whenever possible, and I think that's super exciting. I love to support businesses that really care. How are you guys doing? I forgot to bring any shoes other than my slippers and my work shoes, so yeah, we're gonna work with that. It does not go with my outfit, but it could be worse. That's such a small first world problem. But I will take you with me to the mall, and then I ordered some Uber Eats from Brim. I'll pick that up, get dressed, and then we're gonna fly to Charlotte, and then Charlotte back to Minneapolis. It's a double Minneapolis layover. How are you guys doing? How are you feeling with everything? I know it's been a really long time since I posted, and I'm gonna like get more into detail and bits and pieces like in different videos. And I know you can probably tell I'm not really myself, but I just needed to take a mental health break. I was going through a lot, still am, a lot of, you know, depression and anxiety and social anxiety, and just not wanting to be in front of the camera, just having a really hard time with a lot of different things. I'm sure, sadly, a lot of you can relate. If you're going through something and you need to talk, please comment on this video and let me know. You can also DM me on Instagram if you need to talk. I'm the Hungry Flight Attendant on Instagram, just like on YouTube. But I don't want you to feel like you're alone, because I know how isolating these things can be, and you're loved, you matter, you're important. I'm telling myself this because, you know, it's hard for me to believe sometimes, but I just have a really hard time with not being authentic, and I've been struggling so much. I didn't want to get in front of the camera with my heavy energy and just bring people down. I want to be light and encouraging, but I miss you guys, and I miss recording and, you know, taking you along with me. It made me really happy when I did that, so I'm trying to get back into it. Sorry if my videos are a little bit off, but I'm getting back into the swing of things, and I hope you understand, and I hope you're doing well. See you at the mall. This is so cute. I'm so embarrassed walking around with my work shoes on. It's giving, I don't even know what it's giving, but not good. Let's give this bad boy a try. Oh, actually I didn't go wash my hands. I got my food. Let's see. It feels kind of light. For that money, it needs to be a little bit. Ooh. They gave me like 4 potatoes. But I was strictly vegan for a couple of years. Well, I mean, I had honey, but I was vegan, like no meat and stuff for a couple of years, and I felt really good. I, you know, ate a range of veggie, fruit, grains, things like that, and I got a lot of protein from plant sources, but something in me just wanted to incorporate a little more meat and fish. But I don't eat it a lot. I'll eat it here and there. That's just what works for my body. Everyone's different. But if I do eat meat, I want it to be the highest quality that I can get, like pasture raised, organic, grass fed, you know, wild caught fish, all of that. But this sandwich is gluten-free, vegan focaccia, house made, with organic chicken and a vegan pesto. And then I got some potatoes. I'm so excited. Let's give this bad boy a try. I'm so hungry. Let's like investigate it first. Does anyone else do that? Okay, chicken looks a little bit interesting. Okay. I'm just not like a big meat person, so maybe I should just stick to my vegan. Something about it just kind of freaks me out. I don't know. Morning guys, actually it's afternoon now, but I ordered again from Brim. My sweet husband ordered me some food. I got their plant protein shake. It has spirulina, vegan protein, banana, I don't remember what else, and some berries I believe. And then this is their, I can't remember the name of it, but it's just hummus, some roasted beets, some avocados, some pesto, cashews, and chickpeas, and then some local greens. And no, this is not all for right now. I told him I was going to be really hungry. I didn't bring enough food, so he ordered me this, and this is their gluten-free vegetarian, their gluten-free vegan sandwich with a lot of different veggies. So yeah, I'm gonna dig into probably the smoothie and the sandwich. Something that really seems to be helping my mood so far is this vitamin D3, K2, and CoQ10 from Symbiotica. I did a gut test a while back and it said I was really low on vitamin D, and I was reading that vitamin D deficiencies can cause anxiety and depression, or at least make it worse. So I definitely noticed a difference in my mental state since taking it, which is great, but we'll see like how the long-term effects are. And then I also started their Golden Mine Vanilla Chai Symbiotica, obviously Symbiotica, and it's supposed to support your brain health and cognitive function, so that's something I definitely want to focus on. Good morning guys, we're on our way back to Dallas soon. We're just setting everything up. Actually, I'm not doing anything, I'm just chilling. It's a princess position, but we're on our way back to Dallas. I'm so happy to be getting done. I'm really tired and just need a day off. I have another 2-day trip, not tomorrow but the next day, and then 1 day off and another 3-day. I am ready to be home for Christmas. How are you guys doing? It's been a good trip. It's been relatively easy, but I always love go home leg. And I have a tip for you. If you have interstitial cystitis or like the painful bladder syndrome like I do, marshmallow root tea is a lifesaver. I woke up feeling not well this morning and burning and pain, and the marshmallow tea just calms that down a lot. So there's a tip for you if you struggle with that as well. And also aloe vera supplements, so do them together, and it works like the medicine Almiron that helps this condition. So yeah, a little tip there. But oh, I got a vegan frittata for breakfast. I need to heat that up, and then we're gonna board and get home to Dallas. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to connect with you again